महावीर कैंसर हॉस्पिटल का 23rd कैंसर सर्वाइवर डे, सीधी तस्वीर आपको दिखाती हूँ। उपराष्ट्रपति सीपी राधाकृष्णन का संबोधन आ रहा है, वो भी जरा सुनिए।
People friendly, dynamic and always touring. Our governor has completed his tour in all the districts of Rajasthan. And he has visited almost all the universities of Rajasthan. And our Honorable Governor of Rajasthan, Sriman Haribhai Kishan Rao Bagdeji, our Honorable Health Minister, who has very nicely presented how the healthcare can be taken care, and his dynamism, and he is ready to help both the private and the government sector, and he is always inviting the precious suggestions from the doctors will be heard, and we are ready to implement it. This open-heartedness is going to create a big change in the healthcare. Our Honorable Health Minister of Rajasthan, Sriman Gajendra Singh Khimsarji, Chairman of the Bhagwan Mahaveer Cancer Hospital, Sriman Navarathan Gothari ji, Vice Chairman of the hospital, Sriman Sandeep Kothari ji, Srimadi Anila Kothari ji, and Sriman Sanjay Kothari ji, the Executive Director of the hospital, retired Major General S.C. Parekh ji, who has presented nicely about the hospital, about how to coordinate everything together. भाइयों and बहनों, सबको नमस्कार. I first salute the doctors of this hospital and the staff of this hospital for running this hospital in a big way, so that today we are able to see so many patients who have recovered from cancer. And I want to introduce my Principal Secretary, Mr. Amit Kare. And we are in Uparashtrapati Bhavan. We are trying to make a coordination among the top cancer hospitals of this country, so that we should all work together for the betterment of the cancer patients. And he will be in touch with, we are trying to create a think tank, because I have opened the Jubilee Cancer Hospital in Trichure, and I was closely working when I was the governor of Maharashtra with the Tata Cancer Institute and the Reliance Hospital Cancer Division. So we have to bring a coordination and understanding, so that the latest developments, what is coming up in treating the cancer patient, should be shared by us. Everybody should have the latest knowledge, and we have to equip ourselves. This is the idea behind it. And when I was the governor of Maharashtra, there were one German doctor and Indian origin German doctor. He is a German citizen. Both of them came to me with the Tata Cancer Institute former director and a Reliance doctor, Reliance Hospital doctor. They all said that instead of chemotherapy, a replacement is coming up with a tablet. That was a great surprise, and a very good surprise to me, that we have to coordinate all these things, what are the fastest development coming across the world for treating the cancer patients. Our governor has said he is not a doctor. I am also not a doctor. But we can make an awareness among the people that they should avoid tobacco, smoking. Most probably now another big headache is coming up, that is fast food. For the tasty, they are adding so many chemicals that should be avoided, that awareness can be created. And he has well said about the purity of the water. The protected drinking water should be totally protected. These are some areas where we can work, so the chances of getting the cancer for the people can get reduced to the maximum level. Apart from that, cancer is coming. I'm not denying it. So we can avoid where we can. And sometimes the cancer comes to some patients in spite of all these things, that it has to be fight it out. And today we have gathered to celebrate a day of unwavering hope and the extraordinary courage of the human spirit at this Cancer Survivors Day. It is not only that a patient has to fight medically to get it cured. He has to fight it out psychologically after it is getting cured. That is more important. And today, this type of celebrations definitely give lot of mental strength for them, and they will spread the news that everything can be fight it out, and we can fight against the most cruel disease also. That confidence and psychological strength in the mind is very important. Not only the medicines, the mental strength is also important to fight against the cancer. So this Cancer Survivors Day is very important in promoting the psychological strengthening of the patients. I appreciate the Bhagavan Mahaveer Cancer Hospital and Research Center and the KG Kothari Memorial Trust for organizing such a celebration. Since becoming operational in 1997, the hospital has rendered exemplary service in the field of cancer care, touching countless lives through its dedicated and compassionate treatment. Every year, the number of cancer cases is increasing in our country.